In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Make.com. By the end, you'll have a working connection that can watch your Notion data and kick off automations in Make with confidence. Start by opening Make.com and heading to the Scenarios area. This is your workspace for building automations. Create a new scenario to get a blank canvas. In the module picker, search for and select Notion. You'll see a list of available modules. Choose the one that fits your goal, such as a watch type module that listens for changes or new items. This choice tells Make what kind of Notion activity should trigger your workflow. Because this is your first time connecting Notion, click Create a Connection. When prompted, select the appropriate connection type offered. Most users will use the standard secure OAuth option provided by Make. Give your connection a clear, memorable name so you can recognize it later, then save. You'll be redirected to Notion to grant access. Choose Select Pages and pick only the pages or databases you want this integration to reach. Keeping the scope minimal is a good practice for privacy and clarity. Confirm by clicking Allow access, and you'll be returned to Make with your connection ready to use. Back in the module settings, configure how the module should watch for changes. Select Watch By to specify the entity or method your module uses, for example, a database source. Next, paste the database ID so Make knows exactly where to look. If you're unsure where to find it, the database URL usually contains it. Just make sure you have permission to use that database with your integration. Then choose Trigger By to define what counts as a change, like newly created items or updates based on the last edited time. This determines when Make fires the scenario. Set a limit to control how many records are processed in a single run. Starting small is wise while testing. Click Save to store your configuration. Now it's time to verify everything works. Use Run Once to perform a one-time test. Make will connect to Notion using the permissions you granted, fetch items according to your watch and trigger settings, and show you the output in the execution log. If you see the expected data, your connection is good to go. If not, double check that you selected the correct pages in Notion and that the database ID and trigger settings match your intent. That's it. Your Notion account is now connected to Make, ready to power automations that watch your workspace and act the moment something changes.